Ritu said that her uncle was boarding the train then.
Do you agree with what she's saying, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is agreeing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we have changed which tense to which tense?
Present continuous to past continuous.
Present to past continuous.
So the first tense that we changed was simple present to
Simple past.
Simple past.
Past.
and the second change we did was what tense to what tense?
Present continuous to
Continuous to past.
One more example of present continuous to past continuous. Okay. Rahul said, comma, inverted commas, my sister is reading a book now. Rahul said, comma, inverted commas, my sister is reading a book now. One by one.
Rahul said
Rahul said that
Rahul
his
said
sister was
that
reading book
reading
then.
a book.
Children, one by one, please. One by one. Start.
Rahul said
Rahul
that.
said
Now she has spoken, the other person can speak. Come on, one by one, give me the answer.
Rahul said that his sister was reading the book then.
Do you all agree with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
To move on further, we have done till here. Children, see this example. First one we did simple present to simple past, present continuous to past continuous. Till here we have done beta. Now we move on to the third change. The present perfect becomes the past perfect. How it becomes? Very simple, understand. Johnny said, I have seen the old man. Look here now. Johnny said that he had.
Had.
So simple, yes, have has become had, has and have becomes had. This change is called as the change of present perfect to the change past perfect. Let us do one more. Okay, one more. From present perfect to past perfect. Geeta said, I have seen a beautiful bird. Geeta said, comma, inverted commas, I have seen a beautiful bird. One by one, give me the
Geeta said
answer.
that I had
Geeta's
seen the beautiful bird.
Ma'am, Geeta said that she had seen the beautiful bird.
Said that she had
Geeta said that she had the beautiful.
Geeta said that she had seen the beautiful bird.
So, which tense have you changed?
Present perfect to
Present
past
to past
perfect.
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 So, we have done 3 changes. Now, very quickly, tell me which was the first change?
Simple
From
present
simple
to
present
simple
to
Simple
simple
present to
past.
simple past, present continuous to past
past
continuous,
continuous.
third
Present
present perfect
perfect
to
to
past
past
perfect.
perfect.
And what was the second change we did?
Present
Present
continuous to past
continuous to
continuous.
past.
Present continuous to past continuous.
Past continuous.
We have done 3 changes. Simple present changes to what, beta?
Past,
Simple
present,
past.
Simple past.
simple past,
Present perfect changes to
Past perfect.
past
Past
perfect,
perfect.
very good. And present continuous changes to
past
Past
continuous,
continuous.
Past continuous.
Past continuous.
now we are left with only one change which we need to understand. Okay, if you can see on the screen, can anybody tell me which is the fourth change we are about to do?
Present perfect
Past-
continuous to past perfect
Past
continuous.
Past.
Yes, beta, we are going to change the simple past. Okay, present perfect to past perfect. Listen carefully how we are going to do this. This is easier. Present perfect already has a have in the sentence. Either it will have has or it will have. You have to simply convert it to had. Like we said, Johnny said, I have seen the old man. Johnny said that he had seen the old man. But if your sentence is already in simple past, then you change it to past perfect. Look at this sentence. They lifted the lady and took her home. If you see this word lifted, it tells you that your sentence is in simple past. So you have to change it to past perfect. How will we change? Radhika said that they had lifted the lady. The lifted become what? The lifted becomes had lifted. Is it okay for everybody? See,
Yes, ma'am.
lifted was simple past and you have changed it to past perfect, so you will make it had lifted. Let us practice more of this now. Change this sentence. Rahul said they lifted the box. Okay, try this. This is a simple shorter one. Rahul said, comma,
Rahul.
inverted commas. Wait a second. Rahul said, comma, inverted commas. They lifted the one by one.
Rahul said that
Rahul
they
said
had
that they
lifted the
had
box.
lifted the
Rahul said that they had
Rahul said that
lifted
they
the
had
box.
lifted the box. Rahul said that they had lifted the box.
Perfect, beta. Your lifted was past tense, simple past. So if it is already simple past, change it to past perfect. So let's revise very quickly. What was the first tense change which we had done? Everybody very quickly.
Simple present to simple
simple
past.
present to simple past.
Present continuous to
Past
present continuous
continuous.
to
Past
past
continuous.
continuous.
Past
Past
continuous.
continuous.
Past continuous.
Present perfect to
Past
Past
perfect.
perfect.
Past perfect.
simple past to
Past perfect. Past perfect.
Past perfect.
simple past to past perfect.
Past
Past
perfect.
perfect.
Very good, very good. Now see this. If your sentence is already in past perfect, then you will not do any changes. Look
Will
at this
remain same.
sentence. Divya said Neha had called us for the party. If you see this had called, this means it is already in past perfect, isn't it? Past because
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
called, past because it is called, and perfect because had is used. So this sentence is already in past perfect. So if your sentence is in past perfect, you will not make any changes. You will only make this change that comma and inverted commas will be removed, and in place of that, you have to use that. Otherwise,
Ma'am,
there will
some
be
more
no other
changes
change.
are there that
Beta,
us
that is to
becomes
last
them.
month. That too we told you yesterday. I'm talking about the change in tenses. We are just
Okay.
talking about the change in tense as of now. This too I told you last month. We had learned what has to be used for last month, what is used for now. We're talking about the changes in tense. Your past perfect, there will be no change. Your past perfect will remain in past perfect only. However, there are other changes like comma and inverted commas will be removed and that will be used. And I told you, yeah, yesterday we had done. Last month becomes what?
The previous one.
Previous month.
Month.
Yes, the previous month. You can use previous month, you can use month before anything. Try this sentence now. Okay. Rahul said, Geeta had called us for the party yesterday. Listen carefully. I had given you what has to be changed yesterday. Listen carefully. Rahul said, comma inverted comma, Geeta had called us for a party yesterday. One by one, please try.
Rahul
Ma'am,
said
may I
Rahul
that
tell?
said
Geeta
that.
Rahul said
had
that Geeta
called
had
Rahul
us
called
said
for
for
that
party that
party
day.
the
I'm
previous
not
day.
able to understand, beta. One at a time. I'm not able to understand even one clearly.
Rah
So even if you do
Ma'am,
a
may I
mistake,
tell?
I'm not able to.
Ma'am, may I tell?
One
Rahul
person,
said
whoever
that
starts speaking, let him complete, then the other person should speak. Start.
may I tell? Rahul said
Beta,
that
anyone start.
ma'am, Rahul said that Geeta had called us for a party that day.
No, there is something wrong in this. Had
Ma'am, may I
called us.
tell?
Rahul
Right.
said that Geeta had called us for a party the previous day.
Okay, somebody else also would like to try.
Rahul said that Geeta had called us for the party the previous day.
May I tell?
Rahul said that Geeta had called us for the party the previous day.
All or
Rahul
called?
said that Geeta had called them for the party the previous day.
Previous day. Very good. See, beta, all of you, it's absolutely correct. But chota chota galti ho raha hai for some of you, and that is call will remain. It's called beta. Called will remain called only, and us will become them. We did this yesterday. Us will become what? Us will become them, and yesterday will become what?
The previous,
previous
day
day.
before.
Previous
Very good.
day.
Yesterday becomes previous day. One more sentence I'm giving. Try this also. Try this also. Okay. Do this. Geeta said, Rahul had invited us for a party last week. Listen again. Geeta said, comma, inverted commas, Rahul had invited us for a party last week. One by one, please try.
Ma'am, can you repeat one more time?
Okay, listen. I said Rahul said, comma, inverted commas, Geeta had invited us for a party last week. Try
Okay.
somebody.
Rahul said that Geeta had invited them for the party the previous week.
Rahul said that
Rahul said that Geeta
that
had
Geeta
called
had
them, invited
them
them for the party the
uh,
previous week.
Ma'am, may I tell?